Welcome, welcome, welcome. Lionel Moore, Mr. More Profits, better known as Mr. More Profits Marketing. If you're looking at this video right now, it's because you enter my landing page from an ad, social media, maybe from a postcard or flyer. You know, I do all types of marketing, digital marketing, offline marketing. I'm a real money entrepreneur. I help people brand themselves from the ground up so they can succeed. You know, all types of tools, ChatGPT, Canva, you know, building websites, workflows, landing pages like this one. So if you here and you want to brand yourself, or if you here and you want to replace your income or just want a side job, I have all the offers or services for you. You know, take a look at MrMoreProfits.com, explore my page, read up all about me. You know, most and foremost, I know I'm a digital marketer, but also a storyteller as well. I have a movie out called Broken Behaviors. Broken Behaviors. On most major platforms, Prime Video, Tubi, and some other platforms. So I'm not just a digital marketer. I'm also an entrepreneur. You know, I put my hands in all types of pots. And I just want to be here for you as well. If you tired of working for the next man, that 9 to 5, replace your income, and then full time eventually be your own entrepreneur, your own independent boss. And this is the reason why I'm here, to help you brand yourself, because branding is loyalty. And then if you don't have the inspiration in you, that motivation or the ambition, then of course this is not for you. You need that, you know. You need that, because without that, there ain't nothing. There ain't nothing to dream about. So Mr. More Profits here. And if you're ready, put your information in, get in contact with me. We will chat, schedule a phone call, and we will chat. Mr. More Profits. See you at the top.